Good morning, this is Lonnie Trades. Today I made $885 trading Nasdaq London session. I'm gonna go through how I did it. Coming to the market, I was pretty bearish. When you look the market at first glance, the market is always pretty bearish. Go to one day, it was trading inside the bullish fair value gap. But there's not much hint you can gather from one day. Normally, I gather hints of whether the day itself will be bullish or bearish through weekly buy model, weekly sell model. By the way, if you want to know more about weekly buy or sell model, go check out Key Flow Trades. He has done an excellent job explaining what it is. Anyway, the point is that I didn't know whether it's gonna be bullish or bearish through one day. But 4 hours, it's been pretty bearish. It confirmed CISD. It had bearish series of candles, bullish and renewed high, and then it covered and closed with bearish candles. So this is CISD. So bearish CISD has been confirmed, meaning it's pretty bearish. 1 hour is pretty bearish too. Same logic, CISD here and here has been confirmed. Respected bearish fair value gaps, also filled new week opening gap. Respected the bearish fair value gaps. Disrespected bullish fair value gap. So it's pretty bearish. On the 15-minute time frame, it's also bearish. Disrespected bullish fair value gaps. Respected the bearish fair value gaps very well. That was very bearish. Lastly, 5 minutes. Same. Disrespected bullish fair value gaps. Respected bearish fair value gaps. And then I put a great importance on true day open when it comes to London trade. And true day open was rejected very nicely already. So even though these kind of candles were put in, I was still bearish. Now, coming back to 1 minute time frame, the time frame I trade usually, I wanted to see some more evidence that this is gonna be bearish, because I was very aware of these long wick, also these good candles, because often in London, good candles goes a long way. Now, so initially I wanted to short around here, but only when this fair value gap, 5-minute bullish fair value gap is inversed. It didn't, and with the London open here, it pushed again to the bearish fair value gap. And then what it did was to respect bearish fair value gap and create an order block, and also create an IFVG. It hits my criteria to short because it tests targets, internal low, it tests conditions, 5-minute bearish fair value gap, it manipulated into 1 minute bearish fair value gap, and it created CIC and order block, and it created IFVG. However, with this long, thick, bearish, bullish fair value gap, so I want to see minimum that fair value gap is inversed. And when that fair value gap was inversed, I entered stop at the manipulated high and targeting 1 hour. Now, why did I only make 885? Because my stop was 32 points, so I target 32 points, but I entered with 7 MNQ. So to match it as close as $500 risk per trade. To summarize, I was bearish in the London session. I targeted the internal low, and when price pulled back into bearish fair value gap and created CISD and IFVG, I entered with 1 hour and it hit my target. Thank you. Have a nice day.